Yippee! The holidays at last! How lovely to welcome you all here. Oh, sorry, do forgive me, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Pornichet. Yes, that's right, the town. Like every year, we're going to have a wonderful time together. The port, the sea, the beach, the walks, the market, and the seagulls. Here, there are no worries, no pressure. As you know, Pornichet is a quiet little town, maybe a little too quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, do not trust appearances. This seaside resort hides many secrets. Curious to find out what they may be? Okay, so here's your mission. Gather your team of inspectors. Off you go. Now your big outdoor adventure is about to begin, but take care. It will not be easy. Throughout your quest, you will have to solve riddles. Think carefully. Look up and you will find your way. And keep a close eye on the clock. Rest assured, I am convinced that with your detective skills, you will complete the mission. So, are you ready to discover the secrets of Pornichet?